The Supreme Court heard arguments on the constitutionality of a 2018 California proposition on animal welfare, and it could determine the price of pork nationwide. Natalie Brand has more details from the Supreme Court tonight.
Pork producers got their say in front of the Supreme Court Tuesday, challenging a California law that could impact how pigs are raised nationwide.
California, which produces almost zero pork, consumes a tremendous amount of it, is trying to reach out into other states and impose its moral views on other states.
California voters passed Proposition 12, requiring more living space for farm animals eventually sold as food in the state.
This is a law that addresses only the pork that is consumed in the state of California.
Yeah, but the reality is the reason they have this law is, one, because they don't have pork producers in California, so nobody's going to be hurt from that point of view, and two, they want to affect conduct in other states.
The Humane Society has argued the California law is not only about animal welfare, but human health.
We've seen this over and over again. Confining animals in these extreme conditions where they are packed so tightly in spreads viruses, and it makes it more virulent.
This case may have major implications on the Constitution's Commerce Clause. Legal analysts say the High Court's opinion could impact states' ability to regulate other issues as well.
Pork producers argue the added expense to comply with California's law will ultimately get passed on to consumers.
What California will do is force farmers to adopt these standards that are going to raise the price of food for everybody.
It is the right move, and people are willing, even if it has a slight increased cost initially to change over.
Farmers say the court's ruling could change the industry. A decision is expected by the end of June. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the Supreme Court.